Now let's look at how to add and edit pages. An important distinction to make before we start working on this is what the difference between a page and a post is. Think of a post as something you might post on your Facebook feed. Maybe it's an update about how your recent race went. Maybe it's a YouTube video of some in-car footage you have. Could be an image gallery. It'd be something, kind of a time-sensitive update. Maybe something you put on your Facebook feed. A page is something that's more long-term. Maybe it's a schedule page. Maybe it's your contact information. Maybe it's an about page with your, racing biography, something like that. So it's important to note the distinction between these two types of content. But right now we're going to look at pages. So when you create your racer page, we're going to have a few pages created by default for you. We have a schedule page, news page, home page, and a contact page. The news page is where all your posts will show up. The home page is what people will see when they first visit your site. And contact page will have a contact form on it. Schedule page will have your racing schedule. But let's create a new page to see what that looks like. I think this new page will be an about page, so I'll just enter the title about up here. And here, I'll type some text. Now I'll publish. Now our page is published, and I can click here to view it on the front end. So here we go, new page on the website, title, some text about me and my racing career. Well, that's pretty cool, but it's kind of boring. So what can we do to make this page look a little better? I'm going to go back up here to edit the page again. And let's set a featured image. Now, depending on what theme you're using, featured images might display a little bit differently. Here on Slant, they're going to replace the blue up in the header. So I'm going to go to the media library and grab this good looking Moto image. I'm going to set this as my featured image for the about page, and then I'm going to update. And let's see what it looks like. Now that looks pretty cool, actually. I like the way that's coming together. Now, like I said, on different themes, the featured image might display in a different place. Maybe it would be above this text here. In this case, it's kind of a background for the title. But a featured image will always be the #1 kind of featured image on the page, as the title might actually allude to. We'll go back up here and edit the page again. And let's say we want to add a video to this. Adding a video to a page, or even a post for that matter, is really simple. Just go to wherever the video is hosted. In this case, I'm grabbing a World of Outlaws video from YouTube. I'm just going to copy this and paste the link right into my page. And that automatically converts it into a video embed. No need to copy embed code or anything like that. Just paste the link to the video on its own line in the editor, and it will immediately convert it to a video embed. Now if I click update again, view my page, boom, now we can watch the World of Outlaw highlights right here in our page. Another thing we can do with pages is make them full width. So right now, I'll just open this page again. You can see that we have the page on the left and our sidebar on the right. What if we didn't want to have the sidebar, but wanted the page to take up the full width of the screen? That's as easy as selecting the full width template from the page attributes box and clicking update. Go back and reload, and now our page is full width, no sidebar. We can also add images to our page. I'll click add media up here. And let's say I want to add this image of Daytona. I'll just select it from my media library. I've already got these 2 images uploaded, but if you had images on your computer you wanted to upload, you could go to this Upload Files tab and select them from your computer. So I will add this image of Daytona. That looks good. I'll center align it. I'll insert it into my page. Maybe I could even edit it and add a caption. Me and my friends at Daytona. Save that. You can see our captions down here. And click update. Now we have some text, a video, and our image with our caption. We could even add an image gallery. So let's Add media again, select create gallery, select both these images, create a new gallery. Let's do 2 columns since we have 2 images, and insert the gallery into our page. I'll put a little text between these just so we can see how they separate better. Text here, more text after the gallery, and finally some more text down here. Click update, reload the page, and boom, we have our text, video, image gallery, another photo, and some more text down here. So that's how you create and edit a page in RacerPage. Next, we'll look at posts and learn they're actually pretty similar to pages.